Hey, Benji Kaiser here, and today we're talking about the best affordable cameras and gear to get you started with online video. Now, if you've yet to subscribe to this channel, I highly recommend doing so. I put out videos daily about how to put out media that packs a punch and builds an audience. And today, we're talking about the tech that you need to get started. Now, if you've already been using your iPhone, you're on the right path. This is a great start, but perhaps you're wanting to level up your game. That's what we're going to talk about today. Let's go on over to the content right now. So today we're talking about the best stuff to get you started with online video. One thing you're going to want to get is a camera. You're going to want to get something with a really good depth of field so that way you can kind of set the background in behind you. As you see right now, you can still see my background, but I'm more in focus. I'm the focal point, which really helps send the focus towards me. And that's one of the reasons that you really want to graduate from the iPhone and move up to a camera with a good depth of field. One camera that I definitely recommend, it's one that I've used throughout the beginnings of setting up video and getting video going, is the XE1 with a 27mm lens. Now, since I've picked up my camera, Fuji has put out some newer models, and so I'll link not only my XE1 in the description below, but also some other relatable products that fit along the same lines as the XE1. The image is super crisp, the colors are phenomenal, and it's just really easy to work with. Another camera that comes highly recommended is some of the Sony A-series, as well as the Lumix G7. So you can check those out in the description below. The second thing you're going to want to pick up is an affordable light. This is an LED light. You put a few AA batteries in it and it lasts a long time. I've been filming with this one specifically for over a month and the batteries are still fully charged. So that's really nice. Number 3 is you're going to want to pick up a lapel mic. That's what I'm using right now to record this video, and it just gets a little bit more crisp audio. It's about a $25 to $35 investment, and then you're going to want to pick up probably like a 6-foot cord to record on. And then if you have a 2.5 jack into your camera, which I do, you're going to want to pick up the 3.5 to 2.5 jack that goes into your camera, and I'll link that down in the description below as well. When I first picked up my mic and my cord, I couldn't even use it yet because I didn't have the ability to plug it in. So you're going to make sure you get all the tools that you need for the job. When I first picked up a tripod, I got a pretty cheap one. I will link that one below, but I really don't recommend it. I recommend getting a nicer tripod, and that'll be option number 2. My thought is, if you're supporting, $300, $400, $500 worth of gear, you don't want like a $10 to $15 tripod that could just like break and fall over and break all your gear. Like, make a decent investment there. So those are the 4 things that I recommend, plus 2 with the cord and the adapter, so 6, to get you started with online media on a budget. If this video has helped you at all, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to be putting out more videos to help you produce media that packs a punch and builds an audience. I'm Benji Kaiser of BenjiKaiser.com, and I will see you here on the next episode.